Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. We're heading down to Lothian, Maryland today to do a project for Mr. Ward. We're doing his garage floor. Come along with us. We got started here by covering all the homeowner's belongings in plastic. We wanted to do this to protect it from any potential rain. Next, we got into the prepping and the grinding. Stem wall here was lined with metal that had to be pulled out before the base coat was applied. Then we got to work, removing the ugly stains across the floor, as you can see, as well as some cracks, and unfortunately, a little piece of history. All the materials are laid as we've begun to prepare to apply the base coating before applying the flakes. A nice mix of black and white with some gray flakes. But before all that, we needed to fill in any of the cracks, vacuum up any of the dust or debris that was left on the floor, and caulk the gaps in the stem wall. Here we are mixing our Polyaspartic Polyurea top coat so that we can begin applying it. Starting with the stem wall and hard to reach spots before the crew begins on the rest of the surface. Come on, take a look. Wow, this floor really turned out great. Hey, we just finished this garage floor down here in Lothian, Maryland today for Mr. Ward. It really turned out nice. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and we'll talk to you soon.